in your cups for two. Rolling down the strip on gold. Just coming up.
What up, OG Triple OGs? I'm back here with another video. Dab on them. So today is going to be how I do my press-on nails. Right now I'm using the Kiss Classy nails. These are in a long size. They're very long. They look like this. They're very long. They're like the French tip type of deal. I've been doing press-ons for about a couple weeks now. If you guys seen a couple of videos back, I had some short nails. So right now I'm showing you guys I got this drill. I got this drill set from Walmart when I had first started thinking about doing my own nails because it saved a lot of money. So I got this whole set from Walmart. I got the press-on nails from Walmart. So that's what I'm going to be using. I also have the glue, the Kiss glue. It is that, and then that little piece of glue goes with it comes with the nails. So that's about it. So right now I got it all laid out. I got my fingers. I already measured how to put them on to match each finger. So that's what I'm doing here, just making sure, everything is straight. Making sure my camera is focused because I was having a hard time. So right now I'm just going to file my nails down to get, to make the glue stick a little longer. This is the way to make your nails last a little longer because you want to take the grease off of your nail. So that's what I'm doing. If you see my nails look bad. It's because you see that cut. I got a paper cut from work. So right now that's what I'm doing, just filing my nails down because it make the glue stick on a little longer on your fingers. So yeah, like I said, I got the drill. The drill set come with different sizes and different parts of drills. It got like different parts. So right now I'm just using that part to like drill my nails down. And I don't do it for long because a couple weeks ago I took some of my press-on nails that I had before. I took them off, so my nails are pretty still kind of, what's the name? I didn't pop them off the proper way, so that what happened there. So right now I'm taking a little file, and I'm just going to file it down. These little things come in each press-on nail thing. If you ever had press-ons, they come in each kit. So I'm just going to take a nail file and just go ahead and file it down just a tad, just to make sure I get a lot of the grease or whatever is on my nails so the glue can stick. So that's what I'm doing here, just filing. Like I said, I'm not filing too much because of the simple fact that what's the name? So as you guys can see, this is the one I'm gonna put on my thumb. I already kind of like made it fit to make sure it fit on both sides. That's what you want to do. Now if you want to see a video of how to measure your press-on nails, how to make sure they fit, you want to make sure they fit on both sides to make it, make sure they fit. So that's what I'm doing. I've got it to where it fits this nail. So I'm going to focus it because, like I said, I don't have my old camera anymore. This camera I'm still getting adjusted to. So it's going to get back in focus in about a couple seconds. This is a bootlegged video. This is a bootleg. But I'm just adjusting the camera, y'all. I ain't did none yet. I'm just trying to make sure you guys can see what's in it. There you go. So this is what I do. So I just take this and I take the glue, the brush. This nail glue is a brush-on type of glue. So I just brush it onto the nail. I don't actually brush it on my nail, which a lot of you guys probably say you brush it on your nail, but I really brush it on the nail, the artificial nail. So I just put that on there, and I'm going to continue doing this for the rest of the video. Just gluing it down, making sure it sticks, holding it for about a good 10 seconds. So yeah, so I'm going to be doing this for the rest of the video. If you guys if you guys like this type of videos, please let me know. I do have other press-on nails I would want to try. This is the first time I've done this press-on. I was trying to wait because I was going to do it for a wedding, but I ended up not doing it. So yeah, I'm going to end up putting it on my nail. I'm sorry if this video is very blurry. I wasn't thinking, but it'll get back in focus. Right now I'm just holding it for a good 10 seconds for it to hold or whatever. So that's what I'm doing. So I'm gonna let you guys enjoy the rest of the video because at this point I'm really out of direction. I think it's pretty easy. It's pretty easy for you to go ahead and do this. It's very inexpensive. These nails cost about $5-6 at local Walmart. I'm pretty sure if you have like a Sally's or whatever, you can do that. So this is how the nail looks. on my finger, still pressing it down, make sure the glue gets in, make sure the glue sticks on my nail. So yeah, this is the video. I'm going to continue to let you guys finish watching instead of me talking. I'll just do the same thing over and over. And if you have any questions, just drop a comment down below. And I will do another video. So make sure you guys continue to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next video. Bye.
know if I need to reassure you, my life will be perfect just with